I'm working on a course about AI for marketing and I'm just about to launch it. Join the email list, link is in the description to get super valuable content delivered right in your inbox. Also, you get an exclusive limited time early bird offer, so join the email list now. Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Arpit. I'm the co-founder of NSTM. We're a leading training company offering courses in the marketing tech space. You can check us out here. Today's video is about Facebook ad AI tools. I'm going to show you some really powerful AI-based tools that can help you get a better ROI from your Facebook ad campaigns. All the links for the tools that I'm going to show you in the video are mentioned on my blog. I leave the link in the description. You can check it out later. Let's begin the video. So while I was researching, I came across a lot of tools claiming themselves to be an AI-based tool. But automation is not AI. Just creating a bunch of rules that can help you manage your Facebook ads better, which is very, very useful, but it's not AI. In this video, I'm only going to focus on tools that are really using AI. I've identified two major areas where AI is contributing the most within Facebook ads. First, audience optimization. Second, ad creation and creative insights. Let's explore them. Audience optimization. So what do you guys think? How does artificial intelligence finds the best audience for your Facebook ads? Well, AI-based tools examine your current data. They check things like audience that you're targeting as of now, interest groups, demographics, placements, delivery type, bids and budgets, etc. They then match your best performing group with their own layer of big data to find new groups to test. AI-based tools can create hundreds and thousands of tests to find the perfect audience for you. This means you'll wake up in the morning with new tests already running. You don't have to lift a finger or press a button. Due to the time it takes manually to test ad campaigns, more and more companies are making switch over to artificial intelligence. Like Peloton, which is a fitness company delivering live streaming instructor-led group fitness classes to homes around the world. They used a tool called Lightning AI, which helped them identify user groups with high likelihood of purchasing a Peloton bike. Within 2 weeks, more than 500 different interest and behavioral targeting groups were tested on Facebook. Within 2 months, more than 1,000 combinations were tested. Result? Lightning AI managed 20% of ad spent and drove 26% of new purchases. This means that not only they created scale, new audiences found had a better ROI. Although AI-based tools can create and manage thousands of tests for your ads, a drawback here is testing so many ad sets requires a good amount of budget, which could be challenging for some businesses. So what to do? Some AI tools that I'm just going to show you. Just conduct 3 to 4 tests based on data to single out the most promising customer segment. Like Magix, an AI-based tool I strongly recommend. It is the most comprehensive tool I came across. It covers various aspects of ad management like audience optimization, creative insight, bid and budget optimization, and more. They follow a full funnel strategy called ARR, acquisition, retargeting, and retention, with 100 plus tailor-made audience ready for you to use. Their AI allows you to grow your customer lifetime value by reducing the cost of acquisition, converting new customers through retargeting, and increasing your lifetime value through retention. By using the power of AI, which works on ERFM module, engagement, recency, frequency, and monetary value, it gathers data from your Facebook pixel and continuously optimizes by determining which events are more suitable to optimize on. Based on this ERFM data, it creates a lookalike audience which tends to perform significantly better since the custom data used to build the lookalike audience is made up of customers with high quality traits and mostly due to special optimization taking place outside of the Facebook platform. Another AI tool called AdX. Unique thing about AdX is that you can easily find top performing demographics for each KPI. It iterates with different combinations of age, gender, and type of device to define the best performing audiences and manage your budget intelligently, assigning more budget to the top performers. Now let's talk about the second area where AI is contributing the most, ad creation and creative insights. Phrasee enables AI-powered copywriting. They have developed a natural language generation system that can write marketing copy that sounds human. and fits the brand voice. Here are some sample subject lines created by Phrasee for Domino's Pizza. One of them is written by a human and rest by the machine. Can you figure out which one? Well, it is impossible to know, right? AI can write language at scale indistinguishable from what humans write. They've also developed a deep learning engine that can predict what language will and won't work before it is sent out in the real world, with greater accuracy than any human. This is real power. If humans have to predict which line will work the best, then everyone will have their own cognitive biases, but machines don't have biases. On the left, these subject lines are ranked according to their real-world performance based on open rates. On the right is what Phrasee's deep learning model predicted. Pretty impressive, right? They're quite accurate. Phrasee can be used anyway to create your social ads and posts, landing page copy, SMS, display ads, or direct mails. Here is another AI-based tool, Kiwi. They've built a Chrome extension which helps you write engaging ads and posts. Like I said, the links for all these tools are in my blog. The link is in the description. The app is in beta and I'm eagerly waiting for them to roll out the full version. You can play a little with it. Start with a keyword or a product name, followed by a few noteworthy sentences. You can copy paste the text here. The gist of what you want to promote should be clear. Then click on Save and Go. Then once again, just put your keyword here. Let's say Facebook tools and click on Compose. You will start getting AI-powered suggestions. Some of the suggestions are really good. Won't say it's the perfect tool, but yes, it's getting there. Magix that I just showed you has some really powerful features when it comes to creative insights. They have a lot of widgets here which are very useful, but since they don't use AI, so I'm not going to talk about them in this video. But here is my favorite widget, which uses the power of AI and computer vision to identify elements in your ad images and even the videos to figure out what is driving performance. Like here you can see AI has detected all these elements in the ad, like a person, glasses, accessories, face, etc. Whenever a person is present in the ad, it got 41% of the revenue, but only 50% of the budget was spent here. So you can give an insight to your design team to include elements that are performing the best. Okay, let's move to another tool. This is unique to Amplero's AI-powered platform, which uses machine learning to automatically uncover thousands of new microsegments within your customer database. Then identifies the most relevant and compelling message for each microsegment. This is truly amazing, guys. Like never before, it can help you achieve mass personalization at scale. Then I want to show you TagWag, which uses computer vision to understand images and accordingly suggest caption and trending hashtags to use with that image. Let's have a little fun with it. Okay, let me put this picture of stars. Not bad. It has identified sky full of stars and accordingly suggesting trending hashtags with captions. Let's do another one. This is an image of hawk that I clicked from my window. Not bad. There's definitely scope for improvement. But since these technologies are just coming up, so I'm pretty hopeful for their future. This will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments section. If you haven't already subscribed, consider being a subscriber so you don't miss out. Bye for now. See you in the next one.